Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix your brightness problem in your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So first, if you cannot increase or decrease your brightness in your PC or laptop, what should you do? So here you can see on my laptop, I just go on notification bar. There you can see the logo is showing here, but it's not working. Here you can see it's still not working. And if I just go on search bar or just go on Windows icon, then go on settings, now go on system option and then go on display, but they have no option for change your brightness for your PC or laptop. So how can you solve this problem? Just go on the start button and right click on your mouse and then go on device manager from here, and after that here you can see display adapter option. So here you can see, just double click on here and open on this Intel HD graphics. Just select it and right click on your mouse, and you just need to update this driver at first. So I just select search automatically for driver, Windows update. So I just open. So here you can see, you just need to wait for check update. So just wait, and if it's not working, just go here and right click on this and go on properties, and after that in here just go on driver and update driver. And in this there have a two option, browse my computer for driver. Select on the second option and now select, let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Select on it, and now select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter and select next.